In today's video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to qualify for ZORA Airdrop. Airdrops are in overdrive mode in 2024, and we need to capitalize on this trend right now. Not a financial advice, but I would try to participate in as many airdrops as I could. A mixture of some free testnet airdrops that you can perform and some that require actual capital is the perfect way to get your feet wet. The reason I say that is because of when. If you had done one transaction on Jupiter, if you performed just single transaction on Jupiter, you could have earned $100. That is exactly why I'm trying to participate in as many airdrops as I could. Like most airdrops, we will perform the necessary tasks in order to qualify, as there has been a lot of speculation that Zora will launch a token in the future. Now, what is Zora? Zora is a Ethereum Layer 2 network that is primarily focused on NFTs, such as buying, selling, and creating NFTs. Step 1 is to have a Metamask wallet and have some funds in a Metamask wallet. I'm not going to go through on how to install a Metamask wallet. I'm pretty sure by now everyone has used one in the past or knows how to use one. Having ETH in your MetaMask is absolutely necessary because we're going to use this ETH in order to bridge from Ethereum to Zora Net. If you do not have Zora Net on your MetaMask wallet, we can come to chain list, click on add to wallet or actual connect the wallet, and this will actually add the network to our MetaMask wallet. As we can see here, we're going to click on approve and switch network. And now we have Zora ETH on our MetaMask wallet. Step 2 is to bridge some Ethereum to Zora Network. Now, for bridging over to Zora, there are a few options that we can explore. You can use Zora's official bridge, which is only available to bridge from Ethereum mainnet. And the fees would most likely be more because we can only use Ethereum mainnet. If you do not want to use the mainnet and you want to save some money on fees, you can use a site like Owl2. Because from Owl2 you can bridge from different layer 2s and you probably pay less in fees. As we can see here, we have a lot of options on layer 2s, and by using the layer 2s in order to bridge, you will pay less in fees. Now keep in mind, yes, it will be cheaper to use Owl2 in order to bridge and save on those fees, but you never know if using the actual Zora net will be a qualifying factor or maybe a multiplying factor when it comes to airdrops. I will be using Zora Net in order to bridge my Ethereum, and I am going to be bridging a bigger amount because I'm going to be paying more in fees. But I also consider using Owl2 just because Owl2 does not have their own token, and sometimes maybe down the line they will launch their own token, and if we use their bridge, maybe we can have a 2-for-1 opportunity. You never know. Now let's bridge some Ethereum by clicking on connect the wallet, MetaMask. Once the MetaMask wallet opens, we're simply hitting next and connect. We can see the balance of my Ethereum right here. I'm going to go ahead and bridge 0.021 Ethereum maybe and see what happens. Now we can switch the network and we can go ahead and click on bridge. We can see that we're going to be paying $3.35 in fees. So I'm going to confirm this transaction and click on finish. Now that we have Zora ETH in our wallet, there are only a few more steps to do. First, go to Zora's page and mint or purchase an NFT from different creators. There are a lot of good creators that created their own NFTs here, and we're going to do one ourselves. But first, we need to actually mint one from the home page. We're simply connecting our wallet here, MetaMask. Once MetaMask opens up, click on next and connect, asking us to sign a transaction. Click on sign and we are ready to go. So if we scroll down here, we can see here mint. Let's find one that we can mint. Oh, I like this one. Let's go ahead and click on mint. And as we can see here, these NFTs are cheap. They're 0.0007 ETH. I am going to select mint. And as we can see here on MetaMask, the fee is 69 cents. And the actual NFT cost will be $2.45. And remember, we are using Zora Network Ethereum. So click on confirm. It's a successful mint. Under collected mints, we can see here the mint that I just minted. One other thing I'm going to do is mint another one. I do not know how many you need to mint, but I'm assuming few of them. So let's find another one that we can mint, and that will probably give us enough interaction with the minting. I like this one right here. Click on mint, and MetaMask will open up again, and we're going to pay for it. Same thing as before, 66 cents in fees, and the total 242. Click on confirm processing, and this will be successful in just a few seconds, as we can see right here, successful. Now we have two in our collection, and I'm going to mint few more from a different creator. Under trending now, we have a lot of options to mint from different creators. I'm going to mint this first one right here, and as we can see here, we can mint multiple NFTs. I do not need a lot of them. I'm just going to maybe mint this one, and there we have it, 3 minted NFTs. Now we need to create one, so let's go ahead and proceed to the last step, which is creating our own NFT. To create your own NFT, we can go ahead and click on create and simply download an image and give it a name. Airdrop collection. Under the description, you can write a description, and you can actually add a thumbnail. Click on save, and here the price, we're going to leave it at 0. Keep in mind, even though this airdrop is 0, if somebody buys my collection, I am actually going to be getting a small reward from the fees. Also, before you create it, you want to make sure that you are the first one to create your own by ticking this right here and click on create. And yes, you are going to be paying a fee for creating your own NFT. We're going to simply click on confirm, and I believe that is it. It's a success. We have created our own NFT. So that is pretty much it for the 2 steps that we have, is buying few NFTs from the marketplace and from different creators and creating one on your own. That is all the interaction that we need to do in order to qualify for this airdrop. Once again, under collected NFTs, we can see here all the minted NFTs that I have, some from creators, and this one is the one I created, just a random image. And I believe that is it for this tutorial. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the content. And remember, all the necessary links in order to participate are going to be down in the description.